Welcome to the new online art lessons. I hope you like the new look and layout of the website, and thank you for your patience while I got the new site up and running for us. I've completely reimagined the website from the ground up and rebuilt it from the ground up, so everything looks and works a bit different to what you're used to. So to get you up and running as quickly as possible, I want to just quickly step you through the website just so that you can get a quick feel for it. But I have created a separate course under the courses directory called Getting Started, which shows you exactly how everything works. So that will be the next step after watching this video. Is just go and take a look at that quick course. It doesn't take you long to go through it, and you can obviously come and reference from it again afterwards if you forget how something works. So let's go and take a look at the website. Alrighty, so the main place you're going to work from is this little hamburger menu icon over here in the top corner, top right hand corner. So from there you can access the classes, the courses, the tutorials, and if you're logged in you can access the forum. Let's start off on the classes page. What you've got is your little banners, and then all the little check boxes and stuff are over here. If you're on a full screen or a big screen or widescreen computer, then these little filters are going to be on the side, and if you're on a smaller device like a phone, these little filters will be at the top. So you can just click this to open and close them, and then just click the buttons to activate them. So if you only want to see all painting classes, you click that and leave that. And then to go and view the class, simply click there, or the name of the class, doesn't matter which one. And that'll take you through to the class overview page. So as before, you can click that to go and view a larger version of the class artwork. Scrolling down, you'll see there's the class description and the list of all the equipment that you need for the class. So if you're not logged in, there's a button here at the top and at the bottom where you would normally be able to go and view the class. So I'm going to just quickly log in, and then I'll show you what that looks like. If you aren't logged in, it's giving you a reminder to log in. So you can just click that, or the top button again, and you can go and log in. Okay, so once logged in, you should be back on the same page, and you can go and the login button over here, and at the bottom is now changed to a play button. So you can now click either one of them. Go back to the top, I'll click that, and there's your new watch page. So all your handouts are here on the right hand side. If you're on a narrower device, it'll be underneath the videos. There's your equipment list again, and then here's the video itself. So if the video class consists of multiple videos, then it'll have a bunch of little thumbnails like this below the video, which you can go and click to watch each one of them. So let's just start playing that guy. I'll pause it. So the first thing is the system remembers where you are in each one of these videos, so it'll start playing from where you left off. So that's quite nice. You don't have to worry about finding your place anymore. There's jump forward buttons. This one and this one here take you to the different, it sort of forwards you to the different videos. That's rewind 10 seconds. That's fast forward 10 seconds. That's how far you are into the video. Here's your volume. Here you can also use that. So if you're in full screen mode, you can use this to get through to the different videos without having to leave full screen. To get into full screen, you click this guy over here. And if you want to watch the video a little bit slower or faster, you can use that one over there. So the big thing that I'm really excited about is, as before, we have a place here underneath where you can go and ask your questions. But now this is now tied into a forum. So it's not just here, it's also synchronized with the forum. So let's use our menu at the top and quickly go to the forum, and you can see what I mean. So it's a full-on forum, so you can quickly come back in here at any stage, and you can go to your unread posts, or I like to use this little bell icon if there's new posts waiting for me since my last visit, or you can use the recent posts to see what's been posted recently. So let's go here, and you'll see it's all nicely rearranged. What's nice is You can see what other people have been posting, and you can go and take a look at their artworks and comment on them. You can chat to all the other members. And then you can also, like under here, under these general ones, you can now go and post your out of class artworks for comments and discussions and so on. Or here, your own artworks. There you can ask just general questions like, what's the best brush to use for painting trees or whatever. So that's going to make the website a lot more interactive. Before we couldn't quite see what the other people were posting and so on. Now it makes it easy. You can just come onto the forum every day and see what's new, what everybody's been posting. Alright, so the courses work very similar as well. So let's quickly go and have a look at that. Like I said, don't panic. I do go through this in a lot more detail and a bit slower in the Getting Started course, which is this one over here. That shows you how the whole website works and teaches you all the different functions. But let me give you a quick look to show what the course section looks like. So this is all still the same, except it's got a course description which tells you what you're going to learn in the course. I'll let you scroll around and see what that looks like. Let's go and play this course. So you'll see there's like different sections. I'm going to just shut that down again just to show you. So like for example, this course is broken up in week 1 through to 4. So you can just click these little headings to expand or contract all the little individual classes under that week. You just click the heading of whichever one you want to go and watch, and as you can see, it looks all the same as the class one. Go and ask your questions here on the forum. You can watch the video. If there's handouts and equipment, it will show you there. It does have a course navigation here, which is all those other little modules that you saw. If you just click the next button here, it'll move on to the next one, so you don't have to go back to this area over here to select the next one. You can just use the next or previous buttons as you go along. Then there's little check boxes. If you check the checkbox, it'll mark this module as complete. So if you mark them complete as you go along, the system will remember where you were and it'll bring you back to that place. So for example, if you've completed all the modules in week 1 and you're busy here in week 2, it will not open this when you come onto the page. It will remember that you are here and it'll bring you to the next place. So that you can just go straight in to the next module where you left off. Let's go back in here again. So you'll see you got your previous and your next because you're away into the course. Here's the same checkbox over here. So at the moment, initially, it'll say in progress. If you tick it, it'll say completed. All right, so that's the courses. Let's go to tutorials. So the tutorials are the little more article kind of things. Here they are. Again, they do have filters. They just little, because there's not so many filters that we need, so I've just put them at the top here. So if you're only interested in art history articles, you can click this. And as you can see, it updates almost instantly. And you can just go and click into any one of these headings, either the photo or the text, to go and view that tutorial over here. Under the profile area, you'll see once you're logged in, the logged in and join buttons disappear. It turns into a profile icon. I won't go into this now because this is just a public video, but in the Getting Started course, I'll show you exactly what's underneath the profile area. So let me show you just a last little quick thing for the classes that's super exciting. Classes and the courses. Can you see in this little top corner, there's a little plus icon? If it's green, that means you've added to your wish list. If it's gray, it means you can add it to your wish list, but it's not on at the moment. So let's go and add. You can add this one onto your wish list. And then what will happen is under your profile, all the classes that you've added to your wish list will be there. So you don't have to go and re-find a class or try and remember what class that I want to follow next. You can go and wish list them. They'll be all under your profile waiting for you. And you don't have to go and try and find them under the 380 plus classes that are here. Next time, they'll all be there for you. And then also, as you scroll down, there's a little button over here which you can click. That instantly takes you back to the top, so you don't have to scroll all the way back up to the top either. So that's a very quick overview of how the website works. As you can see, the website has all the beautiful features that you need to give you the best learning experience, but it's also got the best classes. You know now how to navigate the website, so go to the classes, go to the courses, go to the tutorials pages, and scroll around. Browse, take a look, and see just how much beautiful learning is available on the website. If you like what you see, click the green join button at the top of any one of the pages. I really look forward to helping you improve your artworks, giving you feedback, and helping you along the way. I'll see you in class.